Ngithi nginibingeleleke bafowethu khona ke la ku Backspace sengiphinde ngabuya ke futhi nendaba ke ithinte zedisk indaba ke ishisa bam. Namhlanje ngizothinta ke lapha indaba yakhe ku Dr Khumalo indaba ke trend kakhulu kulona ke leli week esiphuma kulona. Finally ke ugcineke ephendulile u Dr Khumalo mayelana ke naleya interview akayenza ngenkathi ke ama journalist ekhuluma naye ekhuluma ke lapha ngendaba ke thinta iSundowns nayo ke lapha iPirates noma izeke ngalishongo ke igama layo ke iPirates engadalulanga kodwa ke le nkulumo honke umuntu wezwa ukuthi ke wayebhekise kuphi kuyona ke iPirates ingakho kama-fans ePirates abake angry kuyena uDr Khumalo andike ugcineke ephendulile izolo kuyona ke iSoccer Zone ngizokudlalela ke iclip uyizwele ukuthi ke uthini.
What you had said, you feel there was context lost and you feel that it was then misconstrued and people received it wrong.
Yes, I didn't actually bring up the Sundowns issues. In fact, I didn't even know that they're having a problem with, is it the analysts?
Yeah.
The analysts. And I even went further to correct the statement.
Which was the question that was asked you?
Yeah, the question that was asked. To say, that statement, the way by begging a corner, I need to rephrase it because I'm not talking about a particular team. I'm talking about the PSL.
Well, I think
so. It's not focused
on any
particular team. I would be failing to respect all the teams that have put the effort to make it a point to Guti. They bring the best with PSL.
So, Doctor, never.
Iyona ke le response yakhe na ke uDr Khumalo defender lapha. Mina ngifile ngathi ke bengamele ke ukuphendula kwakhe indlela aphendule ngayo I think uthi wenza izinto ke zavele zaba worse kakhulu because njengamanje umuntu ongathi bengazi ukuthi bekhuluma ngani kodwa ke le yankulumo uyezwakala nje ukuthi ukukhuluma ngalo ke lapha eBakania even though engaphika ke kena njengamanje kodwa kuyezwakala even ingane encane ngeza ukuthi lo muntu kahle kahle ebekhuluma ngani ukhuluma ngayiphi team la kodwa ke njalo kuyasho ukuthi ke ucabangani ngayo ke le ndaba yakhe ukuthi ke njengoba ekhuluma ke njengamanje seyidefender ngoba phela uyidefender ngoba vele uthole ukugxekwa kakhulu ngalento kayishilo ugxekwe nje kakhulu and utrend impela ke like iviki lonke ingakho ke naye ke zama ukuyidefender kodwa ke impela impendulo yakhe angiyiboni ke ukuthi bekuyinto right because ngifile ngathi wenza izinto zavele zaba worse ikhona maybe indlela bengaphendula ngayo not le yaphendule ngayo yazi njalo ke iwona ama updates la de kuphathele wona.